A backwash hose allows you to drain water further away from the pool and avoid potential mess. It is made from flexible plastic that is easy to manage and comes in 25, 50, and 100-foot lengths. Before you attach a backwash hose to the waste port of your filter, turn your shutoff valves to the proper position so that the water flow is stopped from both the skimmer and return sides. If you don't have shutoff valves, you can stop the water flow by using a Hayward 1022 black cap or rags. Next, wrap a filter fitting with Teflon tape to create a better seal. Thread the fitting into the filter's waste port. Attach the backwash hose to the fitting and tighten the clamp to prevent the hose from slipping off. Your backwash hose is now ready for use. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.